What should I ask before hiring a PPC provider so I don't end up with the wrong fit? Really important for you to ask when it comes down to considering someone is you want to understand how they operate, and not only to be sold on something, what is their current system that is in place right now? And once that they are going to answer what is the current system that they have in place, then based on that, you can take a good judgment of, is this a good fit for me or not? And giving you a clear example, systems that are in place. Now, when it comes down to even onboarding a client, even who's taking over their ad account, even the way how we are managing ads, even the way how we are reporting, the way how we are communicating with them, the way how much time do we invest in management versus client communication. Those are all systems that we have in place that we thought through before taking on any client. And here, really important, if you want to understand how agency is going to run, is first off ask who's going to take over my account after I'm done with this call with you. Why am I saying that to you? Especially if this is a bigger agency, it has 100 plus clients or even 50 plus clients. The way how you're going to go through the system is first you're going to have a call with someone that is a pre-qualifier, right? So they're pre-qualifying if you're a good brand for them to work with, or if they are okay with working on your account, and if you're a good fit for them, you're going to decide. So that is kind of a sales call, actually. And that is a pre-qualifier call for both of you to understand if you're a good fit for each other. Now, once that you had that, keep in mind that during these calls, you might have a salesperson on the call. Now, that is really important for you to understand because, for example, for smaller agencies, I'm the salesperson, right? So by smaller agencies, I'm saying under 20 clients, let's put it that way. 20 clients, 10 clients, it really depends on the style of the agency, right? But if you're going to be with the founder on the call, no, clearly that is usually a smaller agency. Now, for a smaller agency, what is really important for you to know is that the founder itself is not doing the job. Because if the founder itself is doing the job, the founder has to also wear at least 5 to 6, 7 hats in the meantime. And if they're also running your business, highly likely that they want to get more and more clients. And if they're not paying 100% attention to whatever your account is doing, then they're going to fail you in a way. So even when it comes down to smaller agencies, really important for you to know is that the founder is not the one that's going to run your account. However, the founder must be strategic, systematic, and let you know how everything is going to be handled, that they have systems in place, that if an emergency happens, you have this contact person. If good things are happening again, the same contact person. And that way you at least see that, hey, I thought through before taking over the account. I'm not just selling you one of my services, but actually have you covered. So I think that is one of the most important things that you could ask before even hiring a provider. Now, keep in mind that if this provider is not going to be it's a $50 or $100 service, think of your phone bill. For those type of small amounts, you're not even going to ask these questions. But I'm assuming here that you're going to hire someone who is at least $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, depending on the account size that you have. They supposed to have a team, strategy, and systems in place, so they're going to not fail you.